Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin on the 8-hour time frame, 6-hour time frame, and we're also going to take a look at the macro scale, starting from the 2-day time frame up to the weekly time frame. All right. So now, if you're new to our content, you know what to do. I ain't gotta tell you. Hit the likes, subscribe, join our public Telegram group, hit the notification also, guys, so you can get this quick, urgent update. Okay, why it is urgent? Because daily time frame about to close. Okay, and the way we're going to close the daily time frame going to be crucial. The way we're going to close the next 6-hour to 8-hour time frame could play a very important key role in Bitcoin price action. Okay, it could define which way we're going to go. All right, if you watch my previous update, what we said right here, okay, Bitcoin, all right, it is still bullish. Okay, you cannot ignore the bullishness of BTC by saying, oh, we hit 24k, all of a sudden we're bearish. No, it doesn't work like that, right? Okay, so you take a look at the 8-hour time frame. We said exactly guys, over 24 hours ago, we said if we do not close above 23,950, right, 23,950 on the 6-hour to 8-hour time frame, BTC was just about this area, right, just about like 23, right? We said we need to close above 23,950 in order to basically start looking for another uptrend up to basically above 24k. However, right, you can see like the first retest on Bitstamp did not even go above like a 23.8. Second retest got rejected exactly at 23.950, just about, right? Third retest in the morning got rejected. Right now, what are we doing? Okay, BTC is looking for support right here, back to where 8-hour 21. Okay, why 8-hour 21? When BTC was at 24, what we said? We're gonna drop down here. Okay, after we drop down here, we said exactly that's what we've been looking for. Now the next challenge, it is going to be to close right above the resistance, right, based on closing basis. Okay, not the peak. Okay, not right there at 24.3, 24.5, none of that good stuff. 23,950. We need to close exactly above 23,950 in order to basically keep up the high momentum right now we basically getting from the market, right? So now we know exactly what we're looking for, but we don't know what we're looking for to the downside. So I'm going to show you, okay, what we're looking for to the downside. So if you're new to our content, you know what to do. I ain't gotta tell you once again. Hit the likes, subscribe, join our public Telegram group, link in the description. Don't forget to hit the notification so you can get these quick updates, right? So now you take a look at it to the downside. You know I only use 2 moving averages. I ain't gotta tell you, if you're new to our content, I only use 21 EMA, which is our yellow line, and 100 EMA, okay? Why 100 EMA? 100 EMA is very important on your 8-hour time frame. Basically, it is your 4-hour to 100 EMA, okay? So you take a look at it right here. What we said when BTC was right there, okay? We said we're gonna be waiting for what? 8-hour, and if we break it, we're gonna get our 12-hour 100 EMA, because we knew at some point we're gonna get some support right here, and that's exactly what we got. So we're gonna be expecting another support from BTC right here. Okay, it doesn't mean, once again, price action gonna bounce off of it, right, and then it's gonna go to the moon, but it could be a temporary support, and we're gonna basically, you know, reanalyze, right, and see what type of correction we could be making. If the correction, I don't want to be speculating too much about the next correction, but if the correction is a flat continuation pattern, the likelihood of BTC dropping lower could be very high. If like we get a divergence, okay, MACD crossing bullish and all of that good stuff, the likelihood of going back up to 23,950 could be very high. So the key area we got to pay attention to over the next few hours, it is not even our 100 EMA, but it is basically 21 EMA. Okay, that's the key level we gotta watch. It is very important. It is only just about like 600 points difference, but it could change the entire structure. It could change everything, okay? Like even the structure we could be getting in 2021. You see what I'm saying? Because it matters a lot. It matters a lot. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the higher time frame right now, okay? Which is basically our 2-day 21 EMA. So what we said regarding BTC back in October in my premium group, I said, and public group, okay, even though 10k is a very strong resistance, okay, but if price action manages, okay, to cross bullish on MACD, right, and basically price above 21 EMA, BTC going to be temporarily bullish all the way up until we get another cross down, right? Price action cross the 21 EMA, right? And MACD, okay, again crossing bearish. That's pretty easy, guys, on the mark. That's not even macro, that's just like the starting of a downtrend, or the starting of a big correction, or the starting of a possible triangular formation, or like a flat correction, whatever. Okay, so it is not necessarily going to be the reversal pattern straight down to weekly 21 and all of that good stuff, but it is going to be the starting point of something big. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a very quick example, right? If you've been watching me, like when BTC was at excuse me, when BTC was at 14K, we knew exactly what BTC was doing right here. We said BTC going to do 3-wave move down, another 3-wave move up, and it's going to basically give us an impulse wave down. That's exactly what we said. So when I was calling for BTC dropping down to 6K, 5K area, when BTC was like almost 11, 12, we knew exactly what we were doing, because we were ready for the structure, right? It's not like we're just sitting down and waiting for price action to dip and we're gonna say, oh, buy the dip right here. So we give like a price target, like a macro price target. Like sometimes it takes like 6 to 9 months to hit these targets, right? Just like when BTC was at 12K, we were calling for all of these lower numbers, and we did get it, right? So now as you can see right here, going back to the 21 EMA, even though we dipped down below it, it wasn't the starting point. It was just the starting point of the downtrend, but we did not capitulate all the way down in one go. Okay, we did create price action created a 3-way move up, right? Pushing back up to 0.618. As you can see, MACD, okay, did not agree with that move. As you can see, MACD did not cross bullish right here. Okay, while we were dropping, MACD tried to cross bullish. No, okay, it can't do it. Okay, so now we could be anticipating something similar. It doesn't have to be the same way, right? But if we capitulate down right here, okay, we could expect BTC to possibly, okay, potentially push back up to 21, 22, and so on, right? But we're gonna take a look at it. We're not gonna basically speculate too much about like the structure we're gonna get. We're just gonna pay attention to the price level, right? If we break it, we know exactly what to look for. If we do not get it, we know exactly what to look for also, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. If you're new to our content, we know what to do. I ain't gotta tell you. Hit the likes, subscribe, join our public Telegram group. Also hit the notification, guys, because these updates going to be very important over the next like a few days, as price action going to be crucial, and we could be seeing some big stuff happening over the next like a few weeks and so on. All right, guys, stay safe.